Guys, welcome to today's training on information marketing. My name is Sola and I'm your tutor for this course. If you're watching this video I didn't get it from me, send the money to these details, bank, and yeah, please and please take this course seriously. Digital marketing is the new oil, just so you know. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a website, how to install WordPress, how to design your websites and the like. So please pay attention. Now, there are different web hosting. There are different web hosting. However, this is one of the cheapest. It works in Africa quite well. Affordable. You can start from 1,000 per month. So I recommend this and I'll be using it myself. So why not? So this is a website where they help you to host your web. So when you get here, just click on create new account. You fill your information, just fill it correctly. I have my account already, so I'm not filling. Just fill everything from your personal information, your last name, your email address, your billing address. If you have a company name you can say it's optional. You put your residential address, your postcode, your state, your city, your country. Where did you hear about them? Optional. Customer category, choose the category you are best to describe. Just put your niche. They are basically asking for your niche. Consent to share personal data. Security question for your own account security. Security question answer. Your currency, your password. You can choose to tick this or not. You click on this, then you register. However, I have registered, so I'm not going to register again. So I'm just going to sign in. Now, when you successfully register, you'll be asked to log in, which I'm about to do now. So when I log in, this is how your dashboard should look. Can you see? This is your dashboard, portal home, client area. This is how it should look. Now, I've actually bought, I have a website already. You can see one service, one domain. I have my domain. If you want to get your own, just click on, you can click here. You can also, can you see, order new services, register a new domain, blah blah. So order new service. I have a service, that's why they're asking me to order new service. If you don't have a service, you just say order service. Now this is where you get your hosting. So you choose from any of these packages. You can choose Linux hosting, you can choose WordPress hosting, you can choose the hosting you want. But I'm recommending Host Linux because it is cheaper. Can you see WordPress hosting is way, I don't know, is more expensive. So so good for you. They have the monthly plan and the annual plan. So like I said, 1,000 monthly. Can you see this? 1.5. Here we have 10 subdomains, 2 add-on domains. So you order. When you order for it, they even have free SSL certificates. order for the one you can afford. Okay. Now, this is where I came to. Come to domain. You click on this three icon here. Come to domain. Register a new domain. Now, hosting is different from domain. You need a domain. Now, .com. Can you see how expensive it is? .online, .store. Well, you can use .com.ng. So it depends on what your niche is. These are other domains. If you have another domain already, you can transfer to them. Then this is their web hosting. If you previously, I just showed you the web hosting, Linux hosting. If you bought it, then you're good to go. Now let me search for a domain name. Like I said, it's advisable to use, if you don't use .com, use .com.ng. If you're using other online, most people .com or .com.ng makes you seem really credible. So don't underrate that fact. Yes, you're selling. Okay, for my own course, anyways, let me say digital marketing, digital marketing oil. Can you see? Let me search for it. It's nah .ng. I don't want .ng. I want .com.ng. So let me try .com. Can you see? Digitalmarketing.com.oil.com.ng is available. Now you add to cart. You can use .com if you can afford it. .com is the best if you can afford it. So even if you want to, even if you don't want to use Ogo host, I've added to my cart. So let me see my cart. Even if you don't want to use Ogo host, order just is still the same everywhere. On the website that you want to purchase from, get your buy a domain name and web hosting. That's what you need. Want to per year, but that's because I've not added my web hosting. Let me now add my web hosting. So what that Linux will still help you to host is your website. Continue shopping. So let's say you want to pick this cheap one. Order now. This free SSL certificate is necessary. So when you get the web hosting, I'm going to show you how to install it. This will help this padlock right here at the top left. That's the SSL certificate to help you make your website secure or same secure. So they're asking you, so when you choose a web hosting, they are going to ask you to choose a domain. So you can choose the option from here, either register a domain or use the domain already in the shopping cart that you picked already. So I've already picked this domain. Use. So when you want to get your web hosting, you need to also get your what? Your now your billing cycle. Do you want them to bill you monthly or quarterly or annually or whatever? If it's annually, they'll also give you a free domain. If it's annually, you get a free domain. Just just leave all these ones. But if you also want to get an extra SSL certificate, should be somewhere here. Additional services, SSL. Yeah. Now this one will make your websites like really secure. Some SSL certificates are stronger than others, so it's advisable to get an extra SSL certificate that is stronger than the free one you got. But anyways, you're still good to go. So if you choose monthly, you continue, you pay, and you get your web hosting and your domain, and you're good to go. Now, maybe you've bought and you want to upgrade. So when you're in your dashboard, you just come to say there's a dashboard, you just come to manage. After it loads, scroll down, come to upgrade or downgrade. So this is where you basically manage everything. So you can choose to upgrade your already existing service, right? Let's say I choose to upgrade to this just products. So yeah, you can just upgrade right here. So basically you go to your manage to manage everything you want to manage. This is where you come to manage. This is your product. This is my own product is active. Can you say? So if you want to manage anything relating to your service, your product, this is where you come to see all the options. Can you see? Can you see? This is where you see your add-on domains, your email accounts, your this is basically where you see everything, your subdomains, your cPanel, your billing information, your hosting information, your SSL. Now let me quickly show you. Now after you've bought your domain, your web hosting and your domain, right? After you bought that, comes to cPanel here. Your cPanel is really important. Now you need a cPanel account. This is where you will now this is the account that will help you to I'm logged in already. Let me log out. You need to create an account for your cPanel. So I'll log in now. So when you log into your cPanel, go down, scroll down, scroll down. Now you see WordPress. But no, we're not using that. You're using softer colors. So can you see each of these? Advanced preferences. Now we come to softer colors. Click on WordPress. Now I have installed WordPress already. When you install WordPress, to show you. So if you want to install WordPress, come here, click on install, choose HTTPS. You put your website's name. Mine is eightfiguresbusiness.com.ng. And to check if it's available. Now, please select the latest version. As you can see, this is the latest version. If there's another one above it, add to a tick. Put your site name. Let me say, for example, digital marketing blog. Money making opportunity. Choose your language, English. Now this admin, put your information please. Put your information because you are your own admin. Put your username. Put your password. After that, you install. Email installation details. Put your email address. Then you install. Make sure you fill everything. The directory you typed already exists. Okay, this one that I typed already exists. Let me pick. and install. Almost done. Can you say this installed successfully? This one. Now, return to WordPress management. These are all the WordPress I've installed. Can you see? That's cause that's everything is up to date. Now, let me click on this. You can also adjust the site name. Let me still use it because business, because that's my own. Save site. Before I even save, now I made a mistake. When I was doing it, the directory, I should have removed this WP. Now I have to use WP. Let me see if I can remove it. Now it's up to date. Enable, enable. Save site info. Info save successfully. So now let's manage. I've not done anything on this one. So now let's manage it. We go to login. So apparently I can't log into this particular one because I don't have access to it. I used course.8figuresbusiness.com.ng, whereas my own website is 8figures. Course is not part. So this course dot is another person's website, so I can't access it. So let me just use this one that I had before, or even this one. So just basically just click on it. Still the same process. Just make sure you use the right domain. I used another person's domain. Even if you add one to it, it's another person's domain, so be careful. Now you log in. Now this is where you manage everything. Now, so you come to settings, put your title, your tagline, your URL, your administration email address. The time zone is correct, so I'll just leave it. Then you save your changes. Now you go to plugin, add new. If you have a plugin on your phone that you want to install, you click on upload. Then you click on upload, you choose the file and you install. If not, you search for plugin here. I use Stripe Architect for mine and I had it before, so I just uploaded. But let's see if they have Stripe Architect. It's loading. They don't have Stripe Architect, fortunately. So that's what I used to design mine. You can use Hello Elementor. You can use this. Now go to install plugins when you installed it to see if it's there. So when it comes to install plugins, most of these plugins are out of date. So let me just update. So I'll advise you install this Akismet anti-spam. I showed you where to go. Just click on search. Sorry, you click on plugins, add new. You can either upload or search, then you install. So as you can see, updated. Now I told you install this Akismet. Just install it and leave it there. Install. This pack is not really compulsory. Install really simple SSL. I use it. Tribe Architect, that's what I use for mine. So you can just um just search for tribe architect, install it, then you have to pay for the advanced packages. This super package, install it. I'll update it now. Install it, please. Use seal install. I've installed mine, that is why I cannot reinstall it. And I just showed you how to install plugins. So after installing everything, let it update. Still updates. Okay, I think everything has been updated now.